Hey beautiful, how are you? Yes, I am sitting in this funky way so we can appreciate the back of my sweater. Hold on. So we can appreciate the back of my sweater and the fact that I'm wearing a sweater. It's that time, ladies and gentlemen. Are you kidding me? Where has this year gone? How are you? My name is HollyLynora, and today's video I'm going to show you a quick little simple way to achieve this eye look that we have going here. This look is very much a fall, sultry, kind of elongated, feline look, but it's simple and it's quick, and you don't have to use, like with me today I use two separate colors, but that's also because I have the time right now to do that. You can pick one beautiful brown. You can even do this with a smoky black, a charcoal, just however you want to do it, but the shape that it creates with your eyes and just the smokiness of it goes so well with the fall weather. So just watch it and learn and tag me if you create this look. It's really not hard. You can use this as an everyday look. I'm so excited to show you. If you're new, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Join my beauty YouTube family. All things happy, all things positive, and I hope you enjoy the video. So I haven't cleaned my desk because I still have to do this eye, but it is driving me crazy. I just like the clutter, the mess that it creates. I dislike it, highly dislike it. Clean, be clean. Wingardium Leviosa. Nothing. Oh wait, that's right. I'm the magic that cleans the desk. That's my job. Dang it. Okay, so let's get into this elongated, kind of sultry, but you could pull this off as an everyday look if you wanted to, especially fall. You know, there's something about the fall weather that brings the sultriness to it. I feel like summer we're more wide-eyed and tanned, and you know, our skin kind of does the talking. For fall, it's the eyes and even the lips that hold the focus of a makeup look. And now that's just my opinion, but I think like the elongated and the smoked out and the brown and you know the season really makes this eye look work. So that's why I'm pushing for this look. Yes, you can wear it every single day. Let's get to it. So the first thing that I want to do is put a little definition in the crease of my eyes. I'm going to go in with this mini Natasha Denona palette. This one is the mini Star palette. It looks like this. It's a really, really beautiful palette. It's a nice fall palette as well. Those are some beautiful, really in-depth colors. But I was piddling around and I found the Wet n Wild mini palette and the nude matte right here and the matte brown on this side are very similar to the ones in the Natasha Denona mini palette. So huge price difference. If you don't have the mini Natasha Denona, please hop over to Walmart or whichever drugstore you use and pick this one up. Very, very similar colors, and Wet n Wild performs wonderfully. Okay, first thing, I'm going to go in with this nude right here with a crease brush and just brush it all over my crease. I'm also going to take this shadow and pull it up and out towards the outer part of my eyebrow and really make sure that I am blending and blending and blending some more. We're definitely just making sure that we have depth in our eyes and in our crease area on the lids. We're not trying to achieve color, we're just trying to achieve depth. So on my next step with a smaller smudge brush, this is the Morphe M431, I'm gonna go in with this darker brown and I'm just gonna go right in the crease and not blend it as far out as I did the first color. And I'm also going to take it up towards the outer corner of my eyebrow as well. Okay, so that is it for the shadow. What I'm gonna do next is take a nude gel liner. This one is from Nabla. It's in the shade Nude. I I absolutely love this pencil. I use it all the time. It is that perfect trick for, you know, some bright, wide awake eyes. But today we're just gonna put it on the inner lower lash line. Just very rough-handedly, loose-handedly, I guess you would say. Doesn't seem like it makes much of a difference, but I'm telling you, it makes all the difference in the world. I am obsessed with this pencil. Next up, Urban Decay. If you haven't tried their 24/7 eyeshadow sticks, what are you doing? They are amazing. They stay put. They do not budge. Oh my goodness. And they last, honey. This one is in the shade Mildew. Pick whatever color you want. A nice brown would be beautiful for this time of year. The color of your eyes. Just go with your gut, girl. Go with your gut. So I'm going to take it. From my experience, it does take a little bit of working to kind of get the momentum of the shadow going. So I just take it and rub it on my hand a couple times back and forth. And what I'm going to do is I'm just pretty heavily going to run this on my lower lash line and even below my lashes, and definitely right in the little crease where lid and lower lash line meet. Definitely right in there, and just really kind of putting it on heavy. Now that is freshly applied, so we're gonna take a smudge brush, but this one is a flat smudge brush. This is the Morphe 508, and I'm gonna take it and really just smoke it out. And I'm gonna very carefully create a little smoked out wing. Just to be fun, just to be a little bit funky, I'm gonna go in with a brown on the top lash, and I'm going to start halfway into my eyelid and pull it out and meet the wing that I've just created with the green shade, which is called Mildew, by the way. And once again, pretty loose-handed with that, only because we're going to take a smudge brush, a sharper brush, and that's where our precision is going to come in. Oh, and by the way, sorry, this is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Smoky Gel Liner, and this one is in the shade Smoky Brown. All right, pick your smudge brush and let's go. Oops, I don't want to. Okay, and you can see what I've done here is flatten things, flatten those lines out, made them more sharp, more precise, and I drug that gel liner out to meet the Mildew color and make it more sharp, more of a wing, which could use a little help. Now to create this super tiny little point here on the inner corner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tattoo liner from KVD, and this is in the shade Mad Max Brown. This is the sharpest, most precise point out there. Almost. Rare Beauty, they have a really precise one as well, but I'm going to ever so lightly make that point on the inner corner. So this is what we should be looking like right now. A little funky, yes I know. But don't you worry, sister. We're gonna fix it right up. Let's throw on some mascara. I'm gonna go in with the Lash Essence. This is the Sculpted Volume Mascara. This is super inexpensive. I found mine at Ulta for, I believe, $4.99. And I'm just gonna do a quick rough draft of mascara. Okay, now that mascara is on, we are ready to go, except for lashes, of course. Can never forget the lashes. I am gonna go in with the Ardell. These are the Lash Trios. I love these. If you're not looking to go super glam, but you want just a little bit of oomph, these are drugstore and they are great just to pop on and go, especially, which you already know if you've been watching me, I love the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. You just put it on your upper lash line, thin little line will do, and pop your little wispies right on and you're good to go, girl. That's what we're about to do. That's what we're about to do right now. Ta-da! And see, now you are good to go. You are good and ready to go. It's like your eyes have just the right amount of mystery, sultriness to them, but it's not too, everybody look at me, everyone look. No, you're gonna be that mysterious little cat that creeps on by and people are like, who is that? Is that the new girl? No, it's me. Normal old Holly. There you have it, a quick and I think simple, well, I say simple because I've done it so many times. Once you've done it multiple times, it will be simple for you as well. But just take the plunge and practice and just get this look down pat. It is one of my go-tos for fall, especially, you know, with the cozy little sweater. It adds kind of some mystery with the classic sweater. Love it, sold on it, sold. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are my rock stars, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.